Good medical morning. This is Watson, your resident blackhead expert. This video shows blackhead extractions in the actual ear itself. Blackheads are more common on the nose and cheeks in patients who suffer from acne or pimples. Blackheads are thought to be due to oxidized sebum and keratin found in acne comedones. If the blemish has no opening on the skin surface, it's called a whitehead. Blackheads are commonly found on the nose, cheeks, chin, and forehead. In extensive blackhead acne, they may also occur on the chest, back, arms, and even legs, and in unusual places, such as the ears. Blackheads clog up the oil gland, and acne comedones may lead to infection, forming acne cysts, which contain pus. This is called papular pustular cystic acne. If left untreated, it may lead to acne scars. Blackheads can be popped, squeezed, or extracted. Dr. Sandra Lee, aka Dr. Pimple Popper, has done many videos on acne, cysts, and blackhead extractions. And she has good technique. We have a few videos of blackhead extractions using comedone extractors that can be cheaply purchased online. I'll put a link below to my favorite. By prepping the skin, blackheads can be removed with minimal discomfort and no scarring. Stubborn blackheads that are deep can be softened with a warm towel or even a prep of AHA several days before extractions are performed. Blackheads can also be removed with peels and creams, as well as techniques such as microdermabrasion, skin needling, and microneedling. Treating blackheads is important, and yes, that's why you're watching this video, but for the patient's sake, preventing blackheads, open pores, and whiteheads is equally important. I'd recommend using a mixture of AHA or glycolic acid, as well as BHA peels and vitamin A creams. For more on dermatology procedures, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. And to help keep things safe and sterile, as a bonus, we're throwing in a free 10-pack of nitrile gloves. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.